SnugZ really works hard to encompass a family type of environment.
Everybody works with love, with passion.
Everyone's voice really counts here.
Everyone is valued. Everybody is allowed to show up as they are.
I'll be totally honest, when I first was introduced to promotional products, I absolutely had no idea what it was, right? I was like, what's a promotional product? Technically, it's an advertising piece. So most of the time, businesses or corporate brands are using it to deliver a message.
So we have a lot of really fun areas. We recently got into drinkware, huge category within the promotional product industry. We have Traverse, which is a handcrafted leather department where we're making anything from journals to keychains. That's another department that just has huge potential and huge growth. We make a lot of sanitizer. We need sunscreen and lip balm. So those departments are drastically growing, and that could be anywhere from compounding to making the ingredients that go into lip balm or into sunscreen, getting those ready to be filled into our containers. Then we need people to print the labels. We need people to use a machine to apply those labels. So there's so many different areas within each department that there's availability to see what fits your liking.
Coming from the infantry, I have zero skills, and jumping into a brand new market. So I learned a lot with computers, with running machines. The biggest thing that makes SnugZ is anyone from any position could have one idea that could affect the entire company to make it run better. So everyone's voice really counts here.
Lots of different things you can learn and do. You have classes for people to learn different languages. It's just a great opportunity.
I am very grateful with the SnugZ because in this company I learn English. When I came here I don't speak English, but I can learn here. I can learn how to encode, how to use the printer, how to operate 3 different machines. I think as machine operator I get a great experience here.
I have been here 12 years. The working here, I don't feel it boring, and I am very, very happy work with my team. Very good. I have good manager, I have good supervisor, good benefit. I like it my work.
We treat each other the right way. We have employees that work here for 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25 years. And that kind of retention speaks about how much the company cares.